3 days ago, I put these in water. And what do we see here? We have one that's already growing a root. Right there. There's a root sticking out right there. Is that cool? 3 days is all it took. I mean, that's not the only root you need, but remember, these are just water roots. Now, I could technically put this in soil and just keep it moist, and it will survive. You can do the same. I mean, you don't have to do this by water, but I don't always have soil on hand. So none of those. All right, so that was day 3. Or today's day 3. And yes, they will lose leaves, you know, but look at, I mean, they're not looking too bad, are they? Alhamdulillah.